Hello viewers, today we are discussing the phenylketonuria. In phenylketonuria, there is a block in hydroxylation of phenylalanine to tyrosine caused by an absence or deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase, or more rarely of its tetrahydrobiopterin coenzyme. The result is a 20-fold increase in the level of phenylalanine in the blood, with its subsequent transamination to phenylpyruvate. If untreated, severe mental retardation occurs with a life expectancy of an average 20 years. However, with an incidence of 1 in 20,000, this condition is now screened for at birth, with treatment being to restrict the intake of phenylalanine and thus minimize the need to metabolize the excess. However, enough phenylalanine must be provided to meet the needs and tyrosine must be raised. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.